Hi, it's Mike at Custom Cruisers. Great music as usual. And here we are, we got our gasket sets, okay? Quite a few differences on these particular kits to normal. Okay, this one here is what we're calling early bottom end and 40 thou head gasket. Okay, so this is your Evos, all right? Now, as you can see here, you got some beautiful, these are solid metal with the ridges in, so as you squash that up, this will seal. Okay, you've got your air, your valve stem, which are Viton, by the way. That's what the blue is. These are real high quality. You normally pay extra for those. You've also got your manifold seals. Okay, this is the one for the manifold. These are your intake rubbers, if you want to call them that. Okay, here you got all your O-rings. Again, lots of Viton going on there. You got umbrella valves. You've got your copper washers for your bolts on your cases. Okay, and you've also got here multiple options on your heads and your rocker boxes, okay, because they used a couple of different types on those. But as you can see here, this pretty well covers all of it, all right? And this particular one here, these are your rocker box gaskets. Now, I don't know if you can see these, but again, these are the same. These are this metal. So when this thing's tightened up, it won't leak at all because you literally got metal to metal, okay? Head gaskets the same. These are MLS multi-layer steel, all right? So again, these are fantastic quality. These won't leak either. Your cam change set, as you can see here, here's your cam change gasket. Again, MLS. This here, steel in the middle, okay? And then your gasket paper on the outside, which I believe this is some kind, it's not paper, it's actually some kind of a plastic stuff, but very high quality. Again, when you do your cam seal, crank seal, you got your cam seals, you got your O-rings, okay, for your alternator, whatever they are. You've also got your oil pump seals, which again are Viton. So the blue, really, really high-end gaskets, not the usual crappy ones, all right? These are very high heat and last a lot longer. This particular kit, as I say, this is an Ultima 77863. This is an early Evo. Also, as you can see here, we've got a late Evo here, okay? And we've got a Shovelhead here. All right, so if you want a Shovelhead gasket kit, we do 66 to 99, and then 70 to 84. 84 on is obviously Evo, which is your early Evo, this one. And then that obviously goes up to your late Evo, up to 99. So masses of stock. We've got big bore pistons, we've got stroker cranks, we've got cases, S&S. You know, we've got multiple stuff if you want to improve your performance. We do Mikuni carbs, we do S&S rebuild kits, Mikuni rebuild kits. And even got some turbos and blowers, okay? So give us a bell, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu, is getting there. Not a lot on there yet, but it will be a way better site than that wanky shop factory system. Okay, give us a call, or email sales@customcruisers.com, 01773835666. Thank you, stay safe, have a great year. Cheers.